Taking a look at the Neabot. This is a pet grooming kit that's built off a vacuum. So we keep it in the box here. Let's take a look at it. We've got the accessory kit. We'll take a closer look at those in a separate video. And then we've got the Neabot. So it's got a vacuum system, a very large hose, long hose, so that the vacuum and the noise can be away from the critter. So this is for both dog and cats, and the cord is underneath here. It stores nicely. You can bring out as much as you need. It's got rubber feet to help give it some more quiet. It's a bagless, so you can see you can just open this up and clean it out whenever it fills up with hair. You've got a filter there you can clean off, and in the accessories you've got a couple of different like a reaching nozzle for using it as a vacuum. You've got a clipper which is powered, and there's power running through the cord to run the clippers. There's a bunch of different attachments for the clippers, like different height razor guards. And then there's this de-shedding tool, so you can de-shed, and whenever you need to you can clean the comb and it'll all pull into the vacuum here. So that's a great vacuum powered de-shedding tool or comb. And then it's got a brush when you're going to just be cleaning it like using it like a vacuum. You've got a nice brush with lint remover in the brush. And then one of my favorites, last but not least, there's all the attachments for the different razor settings in there too. But this last brush is really one of my favorites because, like the other comb, when you're brushing the long-haired dogs, this is going to get all filled up with hair, so you can just push on this. That brings out this and cleans the comb, and then of course everything gets sucked into the vacuum in the center. So best of both worlds with some of the different brushes and combs that we use on the long-haired dog, but with all the advantage of having the kit centered around this vacuum. So that's the Neabot. Hope this helps answer some questions about a very effective and well-made pet grooming kit.